I hope you're all doing great. I am Mr. H. Thank you for joining me for this single integral video, which will bring together many of the finer points of basic integral calculus. We have integral 1 plus root x encompassed by a exponent 3 dx. You have to integrate this. You should always be thinking about some form of a polynomial substitution, which is also called the U-substitution. A very good substitution starts everything. U is equal to 1 plus root x. Then du will be the derivative of that. What do you think is the derivative of this? It will be 1 over 2 root x dx. You can solve for dx. Push everything on the other side. You have 2 root x du. You can bring these substitutions into your integral. Here's your one substitution and here's your other, and everything will conform to the following appearance. All of this is u. You'll have u cubed. You have a dx, which is represented by all of this, but I'm pushing the 2 out. You have a root x du. You have two variables here, u and x. You still have to get rid of this, and you can. U is equal to 1 plus root x, therefore root x is equal to u minus 1. Push this 1 onto the other side, and you can substitute that for right here. You will end up with u cubed and u minus 1 du. Nothing more than basic polynomial integral coming into play. You have u to the 4 minus u cubed du. Integrate this in terms of its antiderivative. You have u to the 5 over 5 minus u to the 4 over 4. I have a 2 sitting out. I'm not bringing in the u's yet because I still want to clean it up. I'll bring the u substituent at the very end. When you do all of this fraction algebra, you'll have 2. You'll have 4u to the 5 minus 5u to the 4 all over 20. This can cancel out with this. You'll have 10, obviously. Then you'll have 4u to the 5 minus 5u to the 4 over 10 plus c. Now let's bring in our substituent. It's this coming into places of u. You have 4, 1 plus root x to the power of 5 minus 5 times 1 plus root x to the power of 4 over 10. You can isolate something from here, can't you? And bring everything into a good format. You can isolate a 1 plus root x to the power of 4. And let's do that right here. 1 plus root x to the power of 4. It will go in here. 4 parentheses 1 plus root x times. And it'll come in here minus 5 times all over 10. So I've erased this part right here. We'll compute that into a final end result and we'll post it for you. You know, when you open this up, you'll have 4 plus 4 root x minus 5. That 4 and minus 5 can simplify. When you're looking at that and you come here to your final end result, it'll be 1 plus root x all to the power of 4. You'll have times root x, but there's a 4 before it, minus 1. That 4 root x is coming from this multiplying with this, 4 root x all divided by 10 plus c, and that's your final answer. 1 plus root x to the power of 4 multiplied by 4 root x minus 1 divided by 10 plus c. And I'm boxing it here for you, and the end result is good. It should be right. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.